It is a beautiful, not so much beautiful, but it's a rainy night in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is the third day of November, and just out for a little stroll in Lowe's. Just wanted to get out of the house, and I'm in the Christmas aisle. It's very beautiful. Love Christmas, love the Christmas decorations. I don't really have a purpose here. I just wanted to get out and look around and just see if there's anything that looks appealing. So this is the Lowe's on 71st Street near 71st and Mingo. Let's take a look. Are these fake plants? Should we get one? They look kind of Christmassy. I'm not sure how much they are. There's the tag. Look at these cool candy canes. Only $6.98. Man, if you could eat them, I would buy a couple. I'm not sure. What are these for? Just decoration? Those are kind of nice. This tree, it's huge. It's beautiful. For only $700, it could be yours. 12 feet high. I think that's too big for our condo. A lot of nice little Christmas decorations. Look at these, how cool these things are. I like the post office. Toy store. There's the church. Oh, look at the one with the lifts up there. Look how cool that is. That looks like Bell, Colorado. Oh, wow. More beautiful Christmas decorations. We need some more Christmas lights for our balcony. Look, we like the white ones. You can get 100 miniature lights, the clear ones for $6 at Lowe's. Should we go with those or the color ones? Oh, icicle, 300. Those are about the same price because you get 100 for $6, so 300 would be 18, or you get 300 here for 20. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You want to just go with those? Okay. She doesn't want to talk, my daughter, so. Okay, let's grab a box of the 100 for $6. You want your hand on YouTube? Go ahead. Ah, I got your hand. Ah, Snoopy and his little red house. So cool. So many cool little Christmas things. I like that Santa stops here sign. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder, but it's raining really hard in Tulsa tonight. It's gonna start storming. Those are pretty, very tropical. Only 23 bucks, not bad.
We do have some stuff over here also in the clearance aisle, just the window.
You have clearance? You have clearance? I'm going to look at the clearance because I tend to kill plants, so I'd rather kill something that's on clearance. Ah, these are so pretty. Look at these. All right. I don't know if you guys can see outside, but it is pouring. Pouring, pouring. Is this a clearance aisle?
Is that right? Is that right?
Oh, just the, okay. All very small.
Yeah.
Those are kind of nice, but they all look like they're... Oh, wait. Look. The stuff is really cheap. So the $12.98. So
I've seen people do this. They would hang this
Oh,
Like
how much
the-
is that? That's kind of nice. You can hang it. Man, these look like they're...
Especially on their like balcony.
They look like they're dead, though. Are these on clearance, too? Oh, just these right here. Man, it is coming down hard. Do you see anything that you like? Looks like they're all half dead. What about that? That's kind of nice.
It is.
How much is it? That price is marked out $26.98, so it would be like half. I don't see anything that really jumps out at me. But I like all their green. You like their Christmas things? Do you see anything that we really have to have, that we need? Peppa Pig. What do you think? It lights up.
Snoopy.
Huh?
Snoopy.
Maybe. You like that? Mm-hmm. That's pretty. I want the big Santa Claus out in front of our house. Or a penguin would be cool. Okay, it is raining hard. I think we're going to stay here till it closes. Look at all of the cool lights when we do some remodeling. A lot of different options here at Lowe's. Lowe's. So what's the difference in Lowe's and Home Depot? I've heard that Home Depot is more for like professional handyman, or I guess you can say handy woman, and Lowe's is more do-it-yourselfers. I'm really neither, but we have Ring security cameras.
Mm-hmm.
I like Ring. I want to get a doorbell camera sometime. Blink is also a Google brand. Look at all the lights. There's hundreds, maybe. Lowe's is huge. Let's see if any of the Ring cameras are on sale. Do we need another camera? So there's our indoor camera, 60.
Where else?
Huh?
Like where else?
I don't know. I just like cameras. They're just kind of cool. They're just kind of cool. These are different painting. These are just different painting colors.
Yeah.
So you can kind of pick your color like this. So you can grab one of these little cards, I think, and take it home with you and put it up against your wall. So you can see what it would look like. What color should I use? I think I'm going to paint. I've never painted before, but I think I'm going to paint my bathroom. I think I'm going to go with a color like this, like a gray or silver, something like that. Or maybe purple. No, probably not.
Like a dark blue?
Oh, a dark blue would be pretty. Yeah, I like that too.
It's like gray, but it's not like a boring.
Yeah, yeah.
It gives some more
Gives a little,
personality.
and I have personality, so.
Isn't your favorite color like dark blue? Well, I know.
I think this gentleman is going to help us find some glue.
I know your favorite color is dark blue.
Are we following you, sir?
Pardon?
Are we following you? Okay, okay. Is this the aisle? Would something like this work? Super glue?
No, because that needs you need to have a really tight fit. If there's
Oh,
a gap,
okay.
you want something like. Here's the one I'm looking at.
Gorilla glue. Would that
I
work?
would go with this one only because it's got this little nozzle that mixes the two parts together as it's squeezing through.
Okay.
Otherwise, you've got to put the two parts into a little tray, mix it with a popsicle stick.
You're scaring me there.
But this way, this is going to mix the two parts together. When it comes out, it's ready to go.
Okay. So that's
Stop.
like $6?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to go with this one instead. I really don't want to mess with glue. Mounting tabs. This should work. And it's only $3 too. So I don't want to get into glue. I don't want that. That lady's going to be on YouTube. Little does she know. What are these? Wow, look at all the nice floors. We have some floors, but do you want to get floors done in your bedroom? You want to get the carpet out soon? Or do you like your carpet? Are you is it starting to grow on you?
I'm not really sure yet.
It's starting to grow on me a little bit. I don't love carpet, but it's comfy. Comfy. Man, look at these pretty
I
tiles.
think I might just keep the carpet for now because I think if we put new floors, we'll keep it on.
Can you hold that? I'm looking for something like those stickers or something that kind of a... I like that. That would look good in my room. That color, dark gray. That would look sharp. Oh, here's those stickers, but see, pill and stick. Mm-hmm. But they're kind of expensive because you have to buy a lot of them to. See, you only get that many for $13.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I could use that like this. Look, this would look beautiful in my bed. I like this one. This would look beautiful in my bathroom, right? But look, it's $9 for just this. Right, we are just leaving Lowe's. Lowe's. 171st Street here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is raining hard. Way to state the obvious, I know. And we've been under a lot of storm watch. And today is Sunday the 3rd. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow as well, Monday, all day. So my daughter wants some Panda Express for dinner, so that's where we are heading right now, to Panda Express. And I better put my seatbelt on. Okay, now I'm legal. If there's any police officers watching, I was in a parking lot when I shot that part of the video, so please go easy on me if you're law enforcement. So, coming to you from Tulsa. beautiful rainy night. I don't know if it's beautiful. I'm just trying to be positive. My daughter, if you hear a little laughing next to me, that is my daughter who does not want to be on YouTube. So we won't make her be on YouTube. All right, we're going to go to Panda Express and get something. There's Brahms across the way. If you're ever in Oklahoma, that is a tradition. You have to go to Brahms. They have great ice cream. Actually, their burgers are pretty good too. My daughter's not a big fan, but I think their burgers are pretty good. They have a new mushroom something burger, and it's huge. It's actually really big and good. We've got a green light here. Whoop. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. It is so hard to see when it is raining hard. And okay, Tulsa, let's get it together. Okay, we're on one of the main streets in Tulsa, 71st Street, right here by Woodland Hills Mall. Okay, we can afford to buy some lights for the street. What's up with that? Let's talk about Tulsa for a minute. I don't want to knock my town, my community where I grew up. It's a great community in so many ways, but you know, come on, seriously. We have potholes here bigger than a swimming pool. And is that really necessary? Can we not fix the roads with all the tax money? Come on, Tulsa, get it together. And don't blame it on the weather either. I've heard different people blame it on the weather. Oh, we have extreme weather, extreme hot, extreme cold. Okay, I've been to the Philippines where it's hotter than hell, and they have better roads than us, okay? So let's not blame it on the roads. Their lights are out here. We're at Panda. I wonder if there's a power outage, because I noticed Brahms lights were out. This person is just going to sit here all night. They're waiting for someone to answer. And I'm getting rained on while I'm sitting here. Okay, now they're moving. Okay, no one... I'm sure they're open. They're just... See, their lights are out. Hello. Hello, hello.
Give me just a second.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure it was working. Not being impatient. What would you like for dinner? Huh? That apple pie roll sounds good. I'm not going to get it. I'm trying to watch my girlish figure right now. That's okay. We'll take the kids, I think it's called Cub Mill. You do know the lights are out, right?
For
the board?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, no.
The bulb in there, whatever is out.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Just letting you know. I wasn't sure if anyone else told you. And we will take, my daughter wants fried rice and orange chicken, please.
Fried rice.
And a bottle of water would be great.
Water.
Yeah.
Anything else?
I think that will be all.
That's it.
Okay, 7:16. Sounds
Yes.
good. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Salama po. Oh, that's Filipino. I don't think they'll understand that. So we will do one bean and cheese burrito, one crispy chicken taco.
Would you like ranch, habanero, or chipotle?
Surprise me. I love surprises.
Okay, do you like spicy?
Oh, I like spicy. I think you should sweat a little bit when you're eating Mexican.
All right.
One chicken taco del Carbon.
Okay.
And let's see here. 1 3-layer queso nacho. Por favor. And that'll be all.
The 3 layers?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
That be out for you?
That will be all. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I got the green bean and cheese burrito, the filet of nachos, crispy chicken, taco, and the chicken Del Corbe.
Yes, ma'am.
$7.77 at the movie.
777.
Yeah.
Whoa! I should go to Vegas, baby.
Man. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, I just got a little excited about that. 777. How lucky was I tonight? How lucky was I? We're under a tornado warning. I'm out ordering tacos, but my order was 777. So. All right, let's get some taco, baby. Taco. 777. My daughter's looking at me like I'm crazy. That's all right. Look how hard it is raining. 777. Yep. Man, God wants me to have these tacos. Yep. That's the number for God. I'm glad it wasn't 666. I would have had to go to Taco Bell, baby. That was cool. I'm just playing around. We're making a hot. We're making a YouTube video. You want to say hello? This is a nice lady at Del Taco. What's your name? She's kind of shy, it sounds like. That's all right. Here, hold that. Oh, all right. I cannot believe my order was exactly, let's turn on the light so the people believe me. Let's see here. What did I get? Yeah, 777. Those are lucky numbers. At Del Taco at 71st and Mingo. All right, we are almost home. Almost home. It's still raining. It seems like it settled down just a little bit. I know we are under tornado warning. This lady is walking down the street with a purse, and it's pouring rain. Wow. Okay. All right. To each their own. Anyway, almost home, and I'm glad it's tapered off a little bit, but it is still raining hard. My private residence. Security cameras in use. So all my YouTube fans out there, don't try to come visit me. You'll be stopped by my private security fence and security cameras. I love you all, but I'll love you from a distance. Love you from a distance. This sounds like a country song, doesn't it? Good to be home. I'm glad I have a covering, like a garage. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I so much appreciate it. If you would be so kind just to hit that subscribe button, I would be so grateful. Like, share, and subscribe. Folks, thanks for watching.